Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter glaze. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. You might also want a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Once your ingredients are measured, combine the powdered sugar and peanut butter in a medium bowl. Use a whisk to blend them until mostly smooth. Now, slowly incorporate the milk, adding 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue whisking until you reach your desired consistency. If it is too thick, add a little more milk. If too thin, add a touch more powdered sugar. To elevate your glaze, consider adding a small pinch of salt. It truly enhances the peanut butter flavor. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract also provides a lovely aromatic note. This versatile glaze is perfect for drizzling over chocolate brownies, sugar cookies, or even banana bread. It adds a delightful, nutty sweetness to almost any baked good. If you have any leftover glaze, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep well for about 5 days. When you are ready to use it again, the glaze will likely be quite thick. Simply let it sit at room temperature for 15 minutes or gently warm it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds to restore its drizzly consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.